Okay guys, we got this '07 Jeep Compass here. They said they replaced the throttle body because they had a lightning bolt light. And you can see the lightning bolt right there. You can see it flashing. So they said they replaced the throttle body for it. See, we got these codes that are stored, but we got this map sensor code. Circuit high. Circuit high usually means it's not plugged in. Let's pop the hood here. Maybe this will be a quick one. Maybe it won't be plugged in. Let's see. This foot's heavy. Let's see. Throttle body's over here. Oh, you can see the new throttle body down there. See the metal. Let's see where our map sensor is. Where does Chrysler put their map sensors? I don't know if it'd be over here. Oh, I see it. Right here. Look at that. Is that their problem? Is the clip broke on this? Looks like somebody might have broke the clip. Yeah, they broke the clip. There's no clip on it. Like the retainer. That's like pushed out. I don't know if we can. Did they break the inside of it? Yeah. Broke the tab. But this being where it's at, I wonder if we can do like a zip tie trick on this. Just plug it in, see if our lightning bolt goes away, and we'll do a reset, and we'll do a throttle body relearn. Look at that, we fixed it, guys. Oh no, look at that, no more lights. Oops, sorry, I'm zoomed in. There you guys go. So you know what we'll do here? Let's go back. Let's go to trouble codes. Now they're all stored. Look at that. Let's go to special functions. I don't know how long they drove it like this. Let's just do reset memory. Why is it not? Oh, I didn't have the key all the way on. Let's go to reset memory. Okay. All adaptive. Okay. So reset ECU. There we go. And we'll do our electronic throttle body. So this will have us hold the gas pedal all the way down. At some point right now, I think you stay off of it. Okay, I expect the error. Value not learned, battery must be fully charged. Huh. Can we not do it? Okay guys, so the customer actually had a box inside that car. Found it right here. So we're gonna plug this throttle body in. They apparently changed the intake runner too. So hopefully they know not to have it, make sure it's not like binding up. But I'm going to pull this intake off, we'll throw this old throttle body on, and we'll see if we can do the relearn. Okay guys, we got the new throttle body off. I don't know, the whole thing just looks like a weird, cheap casting. I don't know how to explain it. Here's our original one. I cleaned it all. So everything's cleaned in there, nice and clean, all the way around. So we'll put this in. and we'll see how this works. Okay guys, I got that in there. I just gotta tighten this bracket up then, the bolt for the bracket, but we're gonna try to start this, or we'll try to turn the key on. We'll see if we can do a relearn. Let's see. Let's go with the race codes. There we go. Erased. Let's go to special functions. See if we can do our electronic throttle. There we go. Hold the accelerator pedal to the floor. There we go. We're holding. Look at that. So that had to be a bad throttle body. I see so many bad aftermarket throttle bodies. There we go. Released. Don't touch. There we go.
Yeah, you're getting a little twitchy.
Let's see if this works. Learn passed. Look at that. Let's go to trouble codes. Okay, that's, why do these keep coming up? Is it not like erasing them? No codes, okay. Let's go read and see if our throttle light comes up. There we go, it revs up. I'll let this run while I put this together. Who knows how much fuel is in this oil from it running so bad. Okay guys, so took the vehicle for a test drive. Seems to drive pretty good now, no lights. Let's park this. We'll scan it for codes. Sounds like it needs suspension work though. There we go. So let's scan for codes here. No codes, look at that. Let's just do a full scan. ABS code. What's our ABS code? Oh, it's stored. We can clear that. So it probably won't clear. I do want to show you guys something real quick under the hood that I thought was interesting. Okay, let's pop this hood up. I don't know if this is related or if this is. I also noticed that this ECU has a new sticker on it. It says the program of YTech. So I don't know if that's from the factory because the ECU doesn't look new. Doesn't look that new. Oops. But the sticker's really, really shiny. So it's just something that I noticed. Sorry about that. Well, I hope you guys like this one. It's quick, easy. See you guys later.